What makes me excited about Buzz? Well, I think a lot of our job is creating ads, is creating social digital ads, thousands and thousands of assets. And I think a creative's dream is not to have to do all the edits afterwards, right? Like we love being able to make things on brand, do really creative work. But like when it comes to like editing, to think there is a tool for that, I think it gives a lot of autonomy to our partners, but it protects kind of like our brand.
You see in a lot of cases, marketers have different departments and they're all serving themselves with different agencies. Something like Buzz can really lock down that brand consistency, but allow non-designers and marketers to self-serve.
I mean, we had this example a few weeks ago. Our social team always wants to do social media as usual. And last week they were doing some memes about the Met Gala, and they were able actually to do it themselves really quickly, right? Like these sort of news stories that you have to do immediately are such a good use case.
Yeah.
I think we all know the story of like brand versus performance, where we want things to be on brand. And marketers are kind of pushing to do things differently because you never know what's going to perform. You need to be able to iterate.
And we can create photo libraries and image libraries and multiple text versions, and they can go in and play around and tweak what we allow them to tweak.
Where we see Figma Buzz fitting into our workflow, I think, is really with the customers that have a lot of need for social media digital ads, where we can sort of delegate some of the work back to them as well, right?
Yeah, we've actually started already with some of our customers. So we've shared tutorials with them. We've set up templates within Buzz. As a non-designer, you would, I'm pretty sure, be able to use it very easy without having to find your way around traditional tools.
Yeah, it was really cool to be able to like, take our designs from Figma Design, just bring them into Buzz, tweak them a bit, and then give it to our marketing partners to test out. And yeah, it just felt really intuitive.
What the difference is between a lot of other tools I've tried is you have to create the assets in Figma, let's say, and then you would have to recreate them in a performance marketing tool or a campaign management system or platform. And the fact that you can just copy and paste the assets right out is perfect.
Yeah, best of both worlds.